friends, Amanda here, and welcome to the Business Finance Coach on YouTube. And in today's video, I'm going to answer this question from Nikki's makeup tutorial, which is on one of my videos about quarterly estimated taxes and how to make your payments. So I referred to setting up EFTPS, which is a site that processes electronic federal tax payment system. Now, this site is really good if you're going to be making payments on a regular basis because you have an account you can log into. It's really easy to make payments over the phone, on the website. It is more of a process, so if you only need to make a one-time payment, you can watch my next video on direct pay, which is an easier solution for a one-time payment. So back to Nikki's question, she says, I signed up for EFTPS as a business. I got the PIN and enrollment letter, which they actually send you in the mail, and I logged in, but now I'm stuck because the pull-down menu doesn't have a tax code for us. Now that I'm watching your video, should we have signed up on EFTPS as an individual instead of a business since we are self-employed? So the answer is yes. When you're self-employed, self-employed is a tax term. When you work for yourself, you may get 1099s from people, or you may just work and collect money. You're what's called a sole proprietor. And a sole proprietor means that your business isn't separate from you, and it helps you keep things simpler. So for taxes, you're self-employed, and you don't have to file a separate business form. Now, when you enroll on the EFTPS website, you do therefore enroll as an individual because your tax form is Form 1040, which is the individual tax form. When you're self-employed, a Schedule C that reports your income and expenses is just attached to your personal return with the net income coming onto your return, just like when you're an employee and you put that W-2 income on there as well. So that's correct. Now, I'm sure that this has happened to quite a few people, especially if you're a single member LLC, because in that case, you did create a separate business, but there is an exception for the LLC that says when you're a single owner, you still can be default taxed as self-employed, the simplest thing for you to do. So it was really helping small businesses to create that separate legal entity for legality purposes, but you have to maintain the accounting records or it doesn't exist. And then for taxes to still be self-employed, so you don't have to deal with filing a separate business return, which is a substantial amount of work or cost of paying someone. So in that case, you would still sign up for EFTPS as an individual if your tax is self-employed, okay? All right, so let's say you do this, you did it wrong. I'm going to show you some instructions. This is the EFTPS website. If you Google publication 4990, this is the IRS instructions. Now, there's some instructions in here on page 3 that talk about, right here, the very good instructions, canceling a payment. Well, this is also the same process you go through, cancel your enrollment as a business. When you log in, you'll go to company and then cancel your business enrollment, okay? And then you'll need to enroll as an individual, enroll, and then here, you can see this at the bottom is where you enroll me as, and then right below that you select individual. And then you complete this process as an individual. You don't need to wait till you get your letter to make payments though. Throughout this booklet and instructions, you'll see this phone number, 1-800-555-3453. You can, once you've completed canceling, log into your account, company, cancel, then enroll as an individual on the EFTPS website, then call this number and you can make your payment immediately. You don't need to wait to receive the letter. You just can't log in online and see your account until then. Now, again, if you only need to make one payment and you have a prior year tax form, you can use IRS Direct Pay very easily. But this is better if you're going to be making regular payments, because you can log in, you can schedule them, you can cancel them, you can see more and do more. And they have a great phone service as well, and these instructions too. All right, so I think that answers your question, Nikki. Thank you for asking it. Be sure to subscribe, post your own questions if you have them. Otherwise, be sure to check out the Direct Pay IRS video next if you need to make a one-time payment. All right, thanks for watching. Have a great day.